So, good evening, sir. My name is Mark Lususoko, and this is my video about reciting the Alpha to Zulu alphabet and its meaning. So, okay. So, Alpha, diver below, Bravo, dangerous cargo, Charlie, yes or affirmative, Delta, keep clear, Echo, I am altering course to starboard, Foxtrot, I am disabled, Golf, I require pilot, Hotel, I have a pilot on board, India, I am altering course to port, Juliet, on fire, keep clear, Kilo, I desire to communicate, Lima, you should stop instantly, Mike, I am stopped, November, negative or no, Oscar, man overboard, Papa, I'm about to sail, Quebec, my vessel is healthy and I request free Pratik, Romeo, the way is of my ship or vessel, Romeo, Sierra, my engines are going astern, Tango, keep clear of me, Uniform, you are standing into danger, Victor, I need assistance, Whiskey, I need medical assistance, X, stop your intention, X-ray, stop your intention, Yankee, I am dragging anchor, then Zulu, I require a tag. Ouch. That did be all, sir, and thank you.